Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I've got a few bits and pieces to go into my Etsy shop, so I thought I'd just give a quick look at them. I am going to put all these bits and pieces into my shop tomorrow, which will be the 26th of October. Okay, Monday the 26th of October, and I'm going to pop them in at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to list them for 4 o'clock, which will be Portuguese time, which is the same time as the UK. So it's roughly probably in the morning for America, and in the afternoon for Europe. So that's 4 o'clock. So I'm just going to quickly show you a flip through. Now this is one that I've been doing for a little while, and I've just finished it off. These are all sort of like plain journals, so they're not all fussy inside. They are just journals which you can give as gifts, which people can write in, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They're all done with coffee stain paper. So this has got a great big pad. I'm not sure how many pages I've got in there. And I've got some beautiful tags, and this is from the Cherry Blossom kit. So the big tags, and this is what a beautiful little lacy pouch there. So they pop into that side, and they've got a lovely envelope there, which is made out of the same papers from the Cherry Blossom. And then at the back I have another 3 tags, which is lovely. So they're lovely big tags you can write on, little journaling spots on there, and that just folds up like that and into, this is a lace covered on top of card, and this is some hand dyed seam binding on there. This is beautiful. Love this one. There's got some lovely velvet ribbon across there, and a lovely handmade made with love little heart tag on there. So that's gorgeous. That's going to be going in. Now I've got 3 of these. Now these are journals in a little envelope. So this one's made out of the Pink Butterfly collection. This one's made out of the Blue Butterfly collection, and this one's made out of the Shabby French collection papers. So let's start off with the pink here. So these are really pretty. So it's a little envelope, got a fabric flap over there, which just opens up. We've got some nice seam binding there. It's a lovely little journal. Got a couple of little pockets there, so a couple of tags in a pocket, and then it's just the little closure is some seam binding. I've got a little pocket here like that. It's got a nice big journaling card in there with a big butterfly on it, and then we've got, I think, 40 pages in here. Oh, and this is my new stamp. I'm really loving this. So everything's been stamped now, with a Happiness and Crafting by gi.kerr on it. So that's my little logo on there. So I think it's really lovely. So I've been stamping away on everything. So these will be my first journals out with my stamp on it. So that's going to be nice. So that's that one, and we've got the little made with the love little heart on there. So that one's going to be going in. These are all the same. So this is just the purple one, not the, well, it is purple, but it's the blue, made with the Blue Butterfly collection papers. So again, we've got a lovely little pocket there, with a little journaling cards on there, a little bit of seam binding. We've got the lovely little journaling card there, which fits in the pocket. Got the lovely papers in there, all hand dyed, coffee dyed on there, in the sunshine in Portugal. So, and then we just do this up here, like that, and then they just pop in there. So these are lovely gifts. So these are really nice ones for Christmas presents. So that's why I've made them plain, so you can just give them as gifts to people that just want to do a little bit of journaling, or pop that in their bag and they can just do a little lists or anything on them. This is lovely. This is a lovely brown one, with the Shabby French collection. So this is the journal, this one. This is a lovely sort of shiny fabric on this one. And in the front I've got 2 little tags, 2 little pockets with little tags in, like that. and then this one opens up, and this one's got mixed papers in it. So we've got some lined and some graph paper in there, and some coffee stain paper, and it's stamped at the back. So these are lovely. So that one goes in there. So those three are the same. So let's just do that up quickly. And then I have 4 here, which are these ones, which are the journals, which are the plain journals with the envelopes, and I have 4 of these. The little envelope is a magnetic clasp, so it's got a little magnet here and here, so it holds that shut. We have a little tag, we've got some vintage lace on here, some seam binding on there, and then this one is made, these were made from the Shabby French collection papers as well. And on inside we've got a lovely little book with a little bow on it, so that's another little journal in there. And we've got a beautiful tag here which is covered, it's the Shabby French collection papers underneath, and then I've put sort of like a lacy embroidery on there with some vintage lace on there and some little roses. So that's lovely. I absolutely love those. And then we've got a lovely little postcard with, so it's very pretty. This one's really pretty kit. So if you know anybody that's quite girly that likes something, so that just fits in. So they're all the same. All the little bits inside on each envelope have got the same little bits and pieces in. The only thing that would change on these would be the cover of the little journal here on there, but they are all very, very similar like that. So I think they're lovely, really, really lovely. And then all 4 journals, so you get an envelope with the bits and pieces in, and a journal. And on this one I've done it the same, where you've got the closure, which is also you tie in with your signature. And these again are just plain journals, stamped at the back here, and they've just got some lovely coffee dyed paper inside, which are lovely, which are really nice. So these are all the same, just different outside, different papers on the outside. So there we go. That was one. I think I did 3 here with the Shabby French collection, and this one is the Grungy Rose collection on this one. But you get exactly the same sort of like bits in it, like that. So that's lovely, like that. And you get the little tag and the little journaling card there. So I think these have come out really, really lovely. So these will be going in the Etsy shop tomorrow. So please do take a look. I thought I'd just give you a quick flip through so you see exactly what you're getting. And then you can all have a quick peek. So there we go, guys. That's what I've been up to this week. So please have a lovely week. I will be doing some tutorials this week. I've had a very, very busy week this week. So I just wanted to show you what bits I've been doing in the evenings, and I will be popping those on tomorrow. Alright guys, have a lovely, lovely week, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.